Yesterday Brandon got our rear hoop bent, notched out and set on there, and he got our wing pieces made. But today we have to notch our wing pieces, grind them down, get them welded on, then we have to get our expanded metal out that Matt dropped off. It's galvanized, unfortunately, so we got to grind all the edges off, we have to weld, whatever. So we got to get that cut out and put on the middle piece and then on our wings. Let's get into this.
The beast is hungry. Come on. Give me like 5 minutes. I need to go feed her before she... Oh my god, it's gonna drive me crazy. Alright, so the gentleman with that truck, actually I think that's his girlfriend's truck, just stopped by with his buddy and we unloaded this, which is a brand new, better than stock Toyota 3.0 V6. I know everybody's gonna hate on the 3.0, whatever. I'm sure they're fine as long as you don't blow a head gasket just like a 22R. Like, I'm sure it's fine. It's probably gonna run great. Be a good replacement. It has a 100,000 mile or 7-year warranty. Can you believe that? Holy crap! Guy got it for a good deal too. So, and it looks brand new. We took the box off. Oh my god, it's amazing. It's beautiful. I don't see a whole lot of brand new engine things. But yeah, so that'll be fun. And actually get an uninterrupted shot of the dually. Soon to be dually. Super single slammed. Sacrilege. Oh yeah. Almost forgot. New tires showed up for that. Alright. They are some super snazzy new tires. They actually seem like they're super soft too, so gonna be nice and sticky. They've got some really good grooves for rain. There's gonna be some sweet tires for it. I think they got these for a good deal too, actually. I really like that tread design. So these tires say Sport Performance right about there, and I gotta say they are really sticky and soft. Like, these are gonna grip like crazy. It's really weird. If I can feel it with my fingers, these things are gonna be sticky. I've actually been putting stuff away. Now there's more tubing everywhere because it kind of fell off when we backed it up. That tubing fell over. There's tubing there. Ratchet, notcher, chaos gloves full of fiberglass. Bunch of stuff over here. Just chaos. Chaos everywhere! Okay, like the vast majority of all this is gonna go in a box, or back in the toolbox, or back in its home, but the aftermath at the end of the day is sometimes a little overwhelming. Little baby turbo hiding in there. Sorry, it's really hard to get the truck in a shot because it's so big. We need to take this baby out for a spin again. Except I don't really want to get blisters, which I do every time. Tried to pull this back in last night because the power steering cooler's disconnected. Made it about a foot. It's actually on a pretty good little hill right there. And there's no traction because it's in gravel.
that rear bumper looks really awesome. That was a real big marathon. You know, we worked all the way till like midnight at that last part when we drove it out of the garage. It was really late, but we wanted to get it finished so that way my cousin could take it to his next job the next day. He was going to a big field with a bunch of thick brush he had to clear out. So we got it busted out, got it done. I think it looks really, really cool. If anybody needs track machine rear bumpers, message me. So yeah, what a productive afternoon. So thanks for watching, guys, and hanging out with us. Thanks for your support. It really means a lot. Check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/cougarhousegarage. And look us up on Instagram. We are Cougar House Garage. Follow us. We'll see you guys in the next video.